How to hard factory reset the Bluetooth on these HAKII Link open ear earbuds. You're going to want to do this reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting if the earbuds are not pairing with your iPhone, your Android phone, or other device like that, or if they keep disconnecting, or if they seem to be not responding or something like that. This hard reset can fix a lot of those issues. The second reason you might want to do this is just if you want to set them up as a new set of earbuds and you just want to have them kind of deleted off of everything they've been paired with in the past, back to the way they were when they came out of the box. This will do that. It's very easy. The first thing you want to do is you want to just delete them off, whatever you've had them paired with in the past. We're going to open the case and we're going to come around here and we're going to find this button on the back next to the charging thing, and then we're just going to press and hold this button for about 5 seconds and keep an eye on the light sequence. So I just press the button and now watch that light in the front, and you'll see after about 5 seconds it will go through. There it goes, boom boom boom. It just does that orange white orange white orange white orange white blinking. You can let go of the button, it will go back to the normal white setup light, and now this can be paired as a new set of earbuds. If you're interested in these earbuds, there'll be a link below.